just found the best and the easiest way to earn $6 every 15 seconds, and that is just by watching today's video. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, and I know you guys are so excited to know, and you're probably thinking I'm joking, then make sure that you type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So first of all, we're gonna start this entire method by opening a website over here, which is completely brand new, by the way. And as you can see, you can get paid every 16 seconds with this trusted and super sustainable website. Now, there are a ton of different videos that are available on here that you can watch to make money online. And later on into this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to watch a very short video just like this one, and then you're going to earn money over and over again, like all of these people who are earning a very decent amount of money every single day just with this website. Now remember, you can earn money with this website not just by watching videos, but also in different ways. Now you're going to be able to click and view ads, and then you're going to earn 3 cents per click. You can also win up to $1 on Clicks Grid. And if you want, you can do offers and make money as well. But today's main focus, okay, is watching videos, because this is what is going to pay us the most decent amount of money. Now, as you can see over here, you're going to be able to watch YouTube videos and get paid for it. Now, this is an amazing strategy, and at the end of today's video, I have a bonus, a special trick for you. So just make sure that you watch until the very end. So obviously, step 1, I want you guys to go ahead and click on the register button over here, which is then going to take you to the registration page. Now, you can register either wherever you want, through your mobile phone or your computer, whatever device that's already available to you. Even if you only have an iPad, it's going to work the same and as good as it would on any other device. Now, you're going to fill out, very basic information that they're going to ask of you. For example, your full name, your username, your email address, and then you're going to create a password. And then the second part, which is going to be for your payment account, you're just going to enter in your payment details. So you can get through a lot, like get paid through so many different payment options, which I love about this method, this website in particular. Now they have, for example, Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, AirTM, PayPal, and obviously bank transfer. And I think that is what is super great about this method. After that, you're going to click on I'm Not a Robot. Then you're going to read through their terms and agree to their terms and service, and then you're going to click on register. Now, by the way, this website that I'm talking about is called swingbooks.com. Okay, now for step number 2, the moment you've logged into your account, you're going to see a ton of different ads and videos that you can watch to make some money online. And right now, there's a lot of companies on this website, which means you have a lot of different options that you can choose from. But the number one problem that beginners encounter that they don't know is which company or which videos should they watch and focus on to make the most amount of money. So for the first bonus tip, we are going to focus on micro ads, because micro ads and this category in specific will get us paid the most amount of money online, and you'd be surprised. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below, because you will be pleasantly surprised about what you're going to find there. So make sure you check out the description box down below. Also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you'd rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payeer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos as well. Now let's continue. Now, like I said, it's because you're going to be earning money just by watching 15-second video ads. And as you can see on this one, after playing for 15 seconds, the video ad is going to be skipped into a normal YouTube video. So all you have to do now is keep watching and waiting for the next video ad to appear, and then just watch it for another 15 seconds, and so on and so forth. In that way, you're going to be able to make money repeatedly, over and over again, unlimitedly. Now, another bonus tip is that you can actually, mute the video, as you can see here, by clicking the mute button. And by doing that, you're going to be able to let the video play in the background so you can focus on doing other things. So this is just another powerful bonus strategy where you can just watch multiple videos on different tabs all at the same time. If you have even an extra device, you can watch more videos on different devices. And remember, the more videos that you watch, the higher the possibility that you're going to see ads, and the more ads that you're able to watch, the more money you could be making. The best part is, whenever you watch a video, it's sure that you're gonna see one ad at least in the very beginning of every video, which is gonna give you a lot of guaranteed income. And when the video starts, you're gonna find about 2, 3, and maybe even 4 ads from that same video, which is going to make you a lot of money, even more. Now, this is the bonus tip that I was talking about. Here in the clicks grid, every time you're gonna click on these small boxes, you have a chance to win up to $5. And all you have to do is choose whatever random box that you wanna click, whatever it is really. And now all you want to do is stay on that page for at least 15 seconds, and you're not going to have to do anything at all. So if you're lucky enough, you're going to be able to win $5, which is a great deal, because if you click on all these boxes, you're still going to earn about 3 cents, whatever box you click. And best part is, if you click on the right box from pressing all of the boxes, you could be earning $5, and that's just a bonus. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. So, Clicks Grid is very simple to play. Simply click anywhere on the image, like I said, and you can win up to $5 into your account balance straight away. Every click will open up a sponsor's website, which you have to view for about 15 seconds and do nothing. And from those, if you don't win that $5, you're still gonna earn 3 cents, which is absolutely amazing. And the cool part about this is that the clicks will be reset every single day. All of these boxes, they're gonna refresh into something new. So every day you could finish all the boxes, click on all the boxes, earn those 3 cents over and over again, equivalent to how many boxes there are. And then the following day you can go back with a new set of grids to click on, which means a new set of cents and a new set of chances to win that $5 and earning that amount of money. So make sure you try this method out. I'm sure you guys will not regret it. 100%. It's completely free, available worldwide. You're really not gonna lose anything, so I do suggest that you just try it out, because it's gonna be the best thing ever. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.